How you doing, guys? So I show you this part of the video. I don't think it shows really well the flickering on this light. I was driving and I went to the store and I noticed the HID was flickering a lot. So you're gonna have that when you get a, I would say, cheap product like Centec. um, I always heard a lot of complaints about it. That was my first set when I started doing HIDs on my cars, and it was really bad. I remember the flickering constantly, even with the wire harness. So that's one of the reasons why a lot of people complain. You need to have a better system if you want to have it on your car. But in this case, I noticed that on this side. So I don't know if the camera captured that. I just tried to make this episode just to show you the lighting on the RAV4. When it comes to LEDs, you know, a lot of people can test whatever they can test. I think it's gonna be based on whatever you like, if you like HIDs or if you like LEDs. In my case, I like both, but right now that I have those HIDs, can't complain about it. Try to make this little episode for you guys. And I have these lights in here. If you notice, this one uh, is really good. I haven't seen nobody using this type of light. This work light is Nivo. Obviously this episode is not sponsored, but this one is really good. I really like it. It has magnet on the bottom, and then by touching the bottom you can change to the one on top and the main one. I have this Craftsman. It's not super bright, but it gets the job done. So if any company out there is watching this, I would like to do a review on work lights. I'm gonna get some more just to keep them on my toolbox and do a couple reviews, but this one is my main one. It's the one that I like because it goes everywhere. I can move it around and it works really good. But if somebody with a company they do work lights wants me to do a review, I would like to do that. Like I said, this is my main one. I love this one, but I want to look for something else, something bigger, so I can do more episodes at night. And this lighting with my camera, obviously my camera is really good, but the lighting is really good with this little light right here. The flickering, I saw it just today. I knew that it was gonna happen because that happens with this type of light. So you want to get something for your RAV4 before you make the decision to go HIDs, and you want to get something better. I'm not saying the Centec is really bad, but for what I'm seeing throughout these years and personal experience and people's reviews, I know that this is not the best product. It's cheap, so you get what you pay for. And with that being said, guys, I just want to leave you with that and make sure that you get the right stuff. If you want to get something good, get something good. Like I said before, I get this HID just to make the episode. I'm not gonna keep them permanently in the truck because I have more lights coming. I want to do more reviews. Couple episodes ago, I did a review in the Top Done battery tester. I'm gonna put that episode right here, so just go ahead and check that one out. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave in the description of this episode the tester, so you can go and purchase that one for you as a present. New Year is coming. If you want to get something to test your battery, you can get that Top Done. Link is in the description. So that being said, guys, I hope you like this little episode. I just tried to do a little update on the lighting. Remember, you get what you pay for. So that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.